This is my Oreck XL2 Ultra 40th anniversary edition, which I got from a resale store for a ridiculous price of $40. Now you might be wondering, why would I pay such a price? I bought it because it said 40th anniversary edition on it, and I thought I had something special, but I'm really not sure if I do. On this vacuum, when I first got it, the brush roll was completely wrapped in hair. And the bristles were all like spread apart like that. And they were also just worn out too. I'm pretty sure there were supposed to be some metal bars right here, except they all probably got sucked up. This vacuum also had a broken belt as well. I replaced that too, and I also replaced the brush roll because it was not just terribly wrapped with hair and the bristles were all junk. One of the end caps was almost completely melted. And it could still turn, but if I ran it any longer with that end cap, it would probably seize up completely. I did take this apart and found that it was completely clogged with dust. I cleaned it out, inspected the motor, that looked fine. I also took this tube off and looked at the fan. It's a bit chipped, but it's fine for now. I did take it to my local vacuum store to see and have it tested, see if it ran, and nothing happened apparently when he tried to turn it on. So he told me it was a handle issue. So I took the handle apart, and it turns out that both of the wires had came loose. I don't know how well you could see that at all. I'm guessing this machine is from 2006, sometime around there. I'm still not very sure. Made in New Orleans. Nice. I also got this machine a whole new set of bags. It came with like a bajillion bags. I can't fit them all in here. There's just not enough room. This vacuum was also pretty dusty when I got it. There was like an inch of dust on it. And if I open up the bag here, just a second, you can see there is a new bag installed. It was all brown along here, so I just took a vacuum to that and it's all gone now. It's a Type-C if you need to know. As I mentioned earlier, the handle did have an issue. I put all the wires back in and everything, cleaned it out, and now that leads up to this moment. We're going to see if it actually runs. And silly me forgot to plug it in before I actually started recording. I'm not going to pull out too much cord, as I'm not going to be vacuuming very far. That's if it does run. Gotta make sure it's off at the switch. Alright, gonna plug it in back here. Now, the moment of truth. Let's see it on speed 1. The bearings do seem to need oiling, but other than that, it runs pretty good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go get some shredded paper and see how well it does. My grandma took out the bag of shredded paper, so I had to go grab some out of the shredder. It did pretty well. Sorry if the camera drifted off there. It's hard to double task. It's hard to aim the camera at the vacuuming while you're vacuuming. That is a bit hard, but hope you enjoyed this video about my Oreck XL2. Stay tuned, because I will have some more videos about this machine. Have a great day.